Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing Get Ready With Me using some new Hello Kitty makeup from Hot Topic. So we do have a lip balm, we have a lip gloss, we have the eyeshadow palette, we have some new lashes. So if you want to see my thoughts on all these products, did I love or did I hate, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is going to be a super chill Get Ready With Me using some like Hello Kitty makeup. As you guys know, I hope I mentioned that in the beginning of this video because I'm literally going to be drinking some soda throughout this video, just using some like new products from Hot Topic, some cute girly products. As I mentioned, I did also talk about these products over my TikTok. If you want to see like real-time new things, what's happening, vibes, all of that jazz is going to be over on my TikTok, so definitely follow me over there if you want to see what's going on, you want to be in the know. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and take this oldie but goodie. I've talked about this many times on my channel, the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Celebrate Brightening Essence Serum, just to give my face a little bit of hydration. So I'm just going to take that. It's been a while since I've used this, to be honest. Felt right to bring this out for this video. I am also wearing my Hello Kitty sweater. So we do have a new lip balm. As you guys know, this is the Hello Kitty birthday cake flavored lip balm from Hot Topic, which looks like so. This did retail for $7.90 at Hot Topic, as I mentioned just now. Okay, so we do get the information on the bottom. Again, the birthday cake flavored lip balm. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. But as you guys know, Hot Topic is notorious for coming out with this cute little lip balm. As you guys remember, I had like the cute little Barbie car, which is actually over there. I don't want to move it. I also do have cute like Stitch lip balm. They are always coming out with cute lip balms like this. It was no different with the Hello Kitty lip balm. This is adorable. It's actually kind of weighted as well. This is so cute. And you do get the lip balm on the bottom. There's, look at that. Just applying it onto the lips. Honestly, these are nothing crazy to write home about. I just honestly buy them because of the packaging. Yeah, this is adorable. It almost looks like a Minnie Mouse bow as well, right? That's so cute. All right, so brows are not perfect, but we're just gonna move on to primer. So I did again throw on the essence earlier, but we're gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Power Grip primer, which is in my Shop My Stash, and as you can tell, I'm like almost through it. So I'm like, yay, another empty. Gets me really excited. Just love using up my makeup because I'm getting my money's worth. I think this is it. I think this is the last run for this e.l.f. primer. It's a good one too. I also have the Eyeshadow Clean Slate primer, which is from Shop My Stash, which I think they did discontinue because I haven't seen it on the website. Just gonna blend that right in to this T-zone area. For foundation, I did go ahead and throw in this one from my Shop My Stash as well. This is the Eyeshadow Pro Wear Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. There's one hair stuck to my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on all over the face. I was debating whether to do cream products, but you know what? Why not? Again, I am trying to use up my products. And I have a couple of e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands here, as well as the Revolution Emily in Paris Liquid Blush / Lip Tint in the shade 150. I'm just going to quickly throw that on. Oh man, what's going on? Things got out of hand really fast. It's not like I'm going anywhere after this. I'm literally putting on makeup after work. But we're doing it for fun. Why not? I haven't been as inspired. If I'm like, ugh, do I really want to get into this? But I haven't really been inspired with my YouTube channel as of lately. I don't know why. So I feel like social media has its waves. Like sometimes you're like really inspired and it's awesome, and then sometimes it's just like, I don't know. Like these days I've been doing like TikToks and I'm having a lot of fun with that. Instagram has been very, well, I haven't been posting as frequently, to be honest, but yeah, ever since I stopped doing finds, I feel like my Instagram is just kind of just there. I post a lot on my story, so if you want to know what I'm doing definitely check out my stories on Instagram, because that's like where I always keep you guys updated. I'm always posting TikToks, I'm posting like selfies, what I'm doing at the moment, all that stuff. But yeah, I just haven't been as inspired for YouTube. I've been like falling behind on my videos. I haven't been as organized as I was, and I don't know why that is, but I'm really wanting to get back into the groove of things. So obviously I love my YouTube channel, so here I am doing my makeup at 5 in the afternoon for no reason. We also have the City Color Full Coverage Concealer. I just threw in a bunch of my Shop My Stash makeup because I want to use it up. I love using my makeup, so I'm gonna throw it in the center of the face as well. I'm not really loving doing TikToks. I don't know what has gotten into me, because it's never really a TikTok girly, but I really like making like short videos on my thoughts on products, like things that have been sent to me, things that I found at Didi's, snacks, some toys from Target, like some Brat toys or whatever, some mystery unbaggings. It's like kind of fun. So I've been doing that. I'm like, now I get the hype. For powders, we have the Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer Finishing Powder, which as you can see I hit pan on, and also the SHEGLAM Love Dive, which I literally hit pan on today, which I'm really excited about. So it gets me so happy when I hit pan on my products. And it's funny because I've heard people say like they can't stand when they hit pan on their products, because I guess I don't know what that is, but for me it's like an accomplishment, because you're getting your money's worth, as I said earlier. Just taking that on the under eyes and just kind of setting that T-zone area. Taking the Love Dive powder, just gonna set the rest of the face with this. For bronzer, we're gonna take the SHEGLAM, the Beauty Creations bronzer. Why did that name escape me? I'm kind of like wanting to hit pan on this as well. I think I'm almost there. Not do a pinky look without my SHEGLAM little Care Bears blush. You guys know the one. This is stunning. Taking my little heart brush. This is actually from a Paris Hilton brush set from Ross or Didi's or somewhere. Revolution Emily in Paris highlight, which looks like that. LA Colors gel lip liner in the shade Figgy. Went ahead and filled in the outer portions of the lip. I'm also going to take this My Melody matte lip cream, and this is actually from the Hot Topic. I think it came with a lip oil as well. Okay, lips are a little extra today, but we're also going to add this Hello Kitty High Shine Glitter Lip Gloss from Hot Topic. This one here retailed for $7.90 over there. So there's just a close-up look at the packaging. How cute is that? There's a close-up look at the gloss. How cute. Hello. Gloss is not the greatest. It's kind of hard to take out the product with a little baby dofa applicator. Go ahead and line the lower lash line with my L'Oreal Lid Liner Signature. You guys know, you guys have seen this. Alright guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic. Look at how cute this is. You guys have seen my past Hello Kitty eyeshadow palettes like right behind me. This is called their 11 shadow and 1 highlighter palette. To be honest, I don't know where the highlighter is. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but it did retail for $16.90 at Hot Topic. There's a look at the back. It does come with a mirror in here as well. There's a look at those eyeshadow colors. Really nice, really vibrant. So I'm going to go ahead and do a purpley kind of look. We're going to go ahead and get started with the shade Joy. These are rather powdery, so I am blowing off or tapping off the excess. Ooh, girl, this is pigmented. It's really pigmented. I'm shocked. Once you blend out, sometimes they kind of disappear. So let me start blending that. I'm going to do the same brush. I'm going to go into Hello Kitty itself, which is this one here. I'm astonished at the pigmentation. I was not expecting that at all. I am shocked. You guys have seen my journey with Hot Topic eyeshadow palettes. They are not this pigmented ever. I'm going to take the shade Joy again, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out Hello Kitty. In the shade Bow, which is that purple shimmer shade. Looks like that. Let's see how the shimmer behaves. Having to really like dig into the eyeshadow, but the shade is stunning. What? I am perplexed, girl, with this eyeshadow palette. Going back to that dark Hello Kitty shade, and I'm just throwing that in the outer corner. Literally shocked at how well these perform, these shadows. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to take my Artista liquid liner from AWA Studio. I'm just going to go ahead and create a wing. So I'm going to do a little bit of a dramatic wing because of the eyelashes that we have. They're like quite dramatic. So I do want the wing to stand out. As promised, wings are really extra right now. We have some Hello Kitty eyelashes from Hot Topic as well. These are the eyelashes with lash glue included. So yeah, these are the only lash styles that I saw. It retailed for $6.90 at Hot Topic. I did go ahead and open this for TikTok. This is the glue that comes in the little pack, which I'm not going to use. But there's a look at the eyelashes. They're very extra, super extra vibes, but you do get like pink in there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on, and I'll be back to finish up. Actually, let's go ahead and throw in mascara now that we're here. The Revolution Long Lash Lengthening Mascara is what I'm using today. I also do need to fix my brows a little bit, which I am gonna do off camera. Just a little bit of mascara on the upper and lower lash line. So I did go ahead and kind of trim them, and they just look kind of weird with the pink stripe. So I threw a little bit of mascara on it just to make it a little more subtle vibes. There's a close-up look at the lashes. They're very extra vibes. I'm kind of glad I didn't film this on a week, like a work day, you know, like in the morning, because I don't know if I would be comfortable going out with these lashes because they're just extremely extra, but for videos I'm like whatever. But lastly, we have the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray, Rosewater and Diamond Scented. Just look at that, and we're just gonna go ahead and spray the face. Really nice and refreshing on the skin. All right guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, lashes are extra, but let's go through real quick on the new products and my thoughts on them. The lip balm, honestly, this is really cute. As I mentioned, it's giving very much like Minnie Mouse vibes, right? It's not the best lip balm, to be honest, but I thought it was cute aesthetic vibes, so that's why I picked it up. But honestly, I don't really recommend it. I don't recommend the lip gloss either. I think it's cute, but it just took too long to like actually bring out the product, put it on the lips. I didn't feel like the doe foot applicator really deposits the product onto the lip nicely. You just kind of have to keep dipping it in there. However, I really love the scent of this product. It smells so good, and yeah, but it's cute, but again, not something that I would recommend you go out and purchase. The lashes, if you're into big dramatic bold lashes, I think you're really gonna enjoy these. Now the pink stripe wasn't my cup of tea, especially because the lash itself was so long. I had to cut off the other stripe that was at the end, so it didn't really like look too great on me with that one little stripe right here. So how to feel, I don't think I'm gonna wear these lashes again, but honestly for today everything came together really nicely. However, I'm not into these big lashes as of lately. I don't know if future Stephanie will be. Right now I'm like, they're cute, not something that I would wear again, but they're gonna be there in my collection, so maybe in the future, who knows. But again, to each their own. Everybody has different preferences when it comes to eyelashes, so make your own decisions when it comes to that. The Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette was so cute. I'd say out of everything that I picked up today that I tried out with you guys, this is what I would recommend out of the 4 products from Hot Topic. The eyeshadow palette was so pigmented. The color story is really nice, really vibrant, and just so cute. So if you're into Hello Kitty, this is not going to disappoint. The actual formula was really nice and blendable. Eyeshadows, pigmented. I was like really blown away by this product. So yeah, this is the one product I would recommend. Check out. It was so good. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely let me know what you guys want to see on my channel this year. Again, I've been really like out of it when it comes to my channel, and I haven't really been motivated, but I want to know what you guys want to see so I can film it and I could get back into the groove of giving you guys what you guys want and filming things that I'm like excited about, those kind of vibes. So definitely let me know in the comments down below, what do you want to see this year? Let me know, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.